You may be wondering why there has been a massive increase in Reformer Pilates. Recently, it seems to be everywhere on your social media feeds, loads of boutique fitness centres opening. And the reason I think it is kind of twofold. One is recently there has been a new qualification which standardises Reformer Pilates. Before this qualification came out, Pilates came through a lineage. So you had Jose Pilates at the top, then the people that he taught, and then you followed a line down in how you learn to do Pilates and Reformer Pilates. By actually putting in a standardised training, it gives the fitness industry a better way of our consumers knowing what they're going to get from their instructors, and that their instructors are taught to a particular level. So there seems to be two routes that you can go down for this. One is a vocational qualification, which is a level 3. That's equivalent to an A level. So the current ones that are available is a diploma, which is 3 individual qualifications, which you could do individually. So that's one for group Pilates Reformer, one for one-to-one, and one for advanced. But together those 3 make a diploma, which is worth 3 A levels. So if we understand it that way. There seem to be a couple of other ones that you could do, which are fitness Pilates Reformer qualifications. And then there are some that are underpinned by other things. A little bit like Reformer Y, which is underpinned by a yoga qualification. And instead of doing it on the floor or on a mat, you're then taking that yoga qualification and putting it onto a piece of machinery. So because of this standardized testing, it's made it a lot easier for people to access being able to teach Reformer Pilates than it ever has done. The other thing that's changed is competition within manufacturing. So where China has got involved and started to manufacture the reformers en masse, it's massively brought down the price of reformers. So they've gone from being 10,000 plus for a reformer down to a more reasonable amount of money that clubs can afford to buy them. The other reason for the explosion in reformer is that there's also been a number of boutique fitness studios that have opened, and this is people with some money that have started to see it as an investment opportunity rather than actually being instructors that are looking to help people because they've come through it. So they see a way of making large amounts of money with a particular outlay in a trend that's actually happening at the moment. But of course we know that Reformer Pilates isn't a trend. It's been around for over 100 years and it looks like it's going to continue to grow strong. I think it will evolve over time, but they're the reasons that I think that Reformer Pilates has become so much more popular over the last couple of years.